Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what you already have. Open Terminal and run Java version to see the current runtime and vendor. While you have Terminal open, check System Settings About for your macOS build because installers differ by OS. Once done, choose the JDK flavor you want, Oracle, OpenJDK, or a vendor build, and download the matching macOS, PKG, or DMG installer so you're ready for installation. You run the downloaded PKG or open the DMG and double-click the installer. Follow prompts and enter your admin password when asked. After installation, verify both runtime and compiler with Java version and JAVEC version so you know the system recognizes them. Then set Java Home so tools find the JDK. Run /usr/libsec/Java Home V version to get the path, and export it in your shell profile. This ensures builds and IDEs pick the correct JDK consistently. You finish by restarting Terminal and any IDEs to load the new environment variables, then confirm with Java version once more. If you need to manage multiple JDKs, run /usr/libsec/Java Home V to list installed versions, and use that output to switch or script selections. If something goes wrong, like an unexpected Java version, check Path and Java Home for leftover entries, and remove old packages with
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.